basic understanding about the circular track. So it's a circle, and the person, two or more person, is running on a circular track. So you can see that I took the two person here. One is A, the other one is B, who are running in a circular track. In the left hand side diagram, I took that they are running in the same direction on a circular track. You can see here A and B both are running in the same direction. And in right hand side, the second circle, I took that A and B are running in opposite direction of the circular track. Okay. Now, when they are running in a circular track, there will be a certain speed of A and also B. Let's take the A speed as A km per hour and B speed as B km per hour. So you can see on screen. And this track will have its own length. I took that length as L. So length of the track is L. Speed of A is A km per hour. Speed of B is B km per hour. How much time will it take for A and B to meet each other when they are running in the same direction? And right hand side, when they are running in opposite direction? Okay, how much time? So before I take the time, let's find out what is their speed. Shall I take the speed here or relative speed? Relative speed, because A and B both are running. Therefore, I should take relative speed. And in the left hand side diagram, they are running in same direction. Therefore, the speed will be A minus B km per hour. So you can see here, relative speed A minus B. What about the relative speed of right hand side circle? They are moving in opposite direction. Therefore, relative speed will be A plus B km per hour. You can see on the screen. Okay. Now, there could be two questions on it. Two type of question. One, when will they meet? Anywhere on the track. Anywhere on the track means take this left hand side circle. So here they can meet over here, or they can meet over here, or they can meet over here, or they are meeting over here. So this is called meeting anywhere on the track. And the second question could be, when will they meet at the starting point of the track? This is starting point. So starting point of the track. Let's deal the first one. When will they meet anywhere on the track? Both A and B. So this is meeting anywhere on the track. The time taken to meet anywhere on the track is length of the track divided by relative speed. And we know the basic formula, time is equal to distance by speed. And when there is a relative speed, we take the relative speed. Here the D is nothing but length of the track. So L by relative speed. So this is the formula. Time is equal to length by relative speed.